Ever thought how easy it is to make your own custom brush in CorelDRAW X7? It's actually very simple. What you do is to just open a new document, and for this little exercise I'm gonna just zoom in a little bit here, and then I'm just gonna use the freehand tool. You just use whichever tool that you feel fit. So this is the one that I'm gonna use, and we're just gonna go to selected, and for this exercise it doesn't matter really how this actually looks design wise now, but you're gonna see how fun it is when we can use it as a brush. So as you can see, it's freehand. The freehand tool of course adds quite a few nodes, but it's fairly good anyway, isn't it? So for this exercise anyway, so we're just going to color this with a okay, just going to close the curves there, and maybe see if we can close the curves there as well. So what you can, I'm just going to make this a red, and not too bright red. You can't see it, but there's a swatch here going on here. We're going to use that dark one, and then we're going to add a yellow. Okay, that looks almost horrendous, but it's actually going to look quite well, I think. So now what we're going to do is to just save this bugger. We go to the Artistic Media tool, and up here on the you see that it's selected here. Here in the property bar, you'll see that it says Save Artistic Media Strokes. Just click that one there, and you come into the folder for the whole thing, and I'm just gonna call it the Stefan Flame 2, and my name is Stefan, as you might have already figured out. So we save that. Now let's open a new document and put it into some tests. So when you go here and you want to open your own brush, you have to understand that your brush is now in the folder called Custom, and you see that it actually recognized the latest one that I created. And here's another one that I created before, and this is the one that I just created. So if now just use the artistic tool here, you'll see that things are starting to happen. And you can actually design the brush just any way you want it. So you can just play around with this one here, and you'll see that eventually you're gonna wind up with something quite nice. So we're gonna do something more a little bit with it. We'll make a line there, and let's see if we can do it almost so it looks like a burning feather. So it's that's quite neat, isn't it? I quite like this one here. Making custom brushes cannot be any easier. Hope you find this helpful, and